Hi guys! So today I am going to be unboxing EXO's latest Japanese release, Coming Over. I have the CD, DVD version, and for the cover versions I have Suho's, Baekhyun's, Chen's, Chanyeol's, and D.O's. I am planning on getting the rest of them, I just couldn't get them all in one go. So I will get the rest of them eventually, and I'll do unboxings for the other four members as well. But yeah, I figured I might as well just do this now and just split the unboxings up anyway. So I will start with this one, the CD DVD version. I think it comes with a photo card. I don't know. I know that the member versions do. I'm pretty sure this one does as well. If it follows, I mean the Love Me Right one did, so hopefully. Anyway, there's stickers on here, like all these Japanese stickers. Okay, you can see. I really like the colors on this. I don't know, I just really like this kind of really dark but sort of bright color scheme going on. Then we have the track listing here. There are 6 tracks, but 3 of them are instrumentals, and they are Coming Over, which was the title track for this album, Tactics, and Run This, and then we have the instrumentals for all of them, for Coming Over, Tactics, and Run This as well. I like this album a lot. I like this more than their last Japanese release, but then that was really just Love Me Right and Drop That. So I love the fact that there are more original singles on this one, original Japanese singles on this one. There's like EXO have like this ongoing theme with their Japanese releases. They all sound quite similar, but they're all really different from their Korean releases, and it's something that's something that I really like, because I don't know, it keeps things kind of fresh, and it keeps things kind of different, and I'm really enjoying what they're going for with their Japanese stuff. And their Korean stuff, obviously, but yeah. I think I like Tactics and Run This more than I like Coming Over, to be honest. Their Tactics and Run This just sound like really like club type songs. Yeah, they just sound like something you would hear in a club, and I love it. It's just very danceable. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say on the tracks. I really do enjoy them a lot though. And for the DVD, there is the Coming Over video clip off-shot movie, and jacket off-shot movie. So it's quite similar to the Love Me Right Romantic Universe one. Slipcase. Okay, and alright. This is all the same. Oh, just track listing on the back here again, and then we have the CDs, which I will take out. So this is the CD, with this pattern on it, and then the DVD. The DVD has like a white pattern on it instead of a black one. The back of it, yeah, pretty basic. Hang on, let me just put the CD and DVD back. DVD. Okay, anyway, and then, yeah, it just comes in this, like, the booklet comes in this pouch. I'm going to take out the card first, and then go through all the cards after. So this is obviously the group version, so you'll get everyone. The individual booklets, the member versions are all different. They have individual booklets in them. It's basically like the Love Me Right Romantic Universe ones, I never did an unboxing for the member versions for that, just because, I don't know, I just never got around to doing one. And I feel like it's kind of late to do one, and I've already opened them all, so... Yep, anyway, that was it, lyrics. Yeah. So yeah, it's pretty small, but it's really just because there are so many member versions. For now, I will put this to the side. Okay, let's move on to Suho's first. So my bias, I'll do it in age order. It's probably easiest. Okay. So, Suho. It's honestly so beautiful. And then we have the track listing, which are the same tracks again, just minus the DVD. Oops. Everything's falling out. I'm trying not to look at the cards. Okay. Okay, I've got the CD. If they're all the same, I probably won't take them out because they're pretty much the same. And then the booklet. The pen's blocking his face. Honestly, I'm so in love with him. Why? He's so gorgeous. On this, and yeah. Lyrics, and that's it for Suho's booklet. Move on to Baekhyun's. Right. Baekhyun. Track listing again on the back. I will take out the card. Yeah, since the CDs are like all the same, I'm gonna take them out. They're basic. You've seen one, you've seen all the rest. Yeah, that's it for Baekhyun's, and then they're moving on to Chen's. Take out the card. Sorry, the card's stuck in here. Try not to look at it. Chen. I'm sorry, not really saying anything, but I just don't know. I don't really have anything to add, I feel. I like the color and stuff of this photo shoot, but it's probably not one of my favorites. I tend to prefer photo shoots where there are more close-up shots, I suppose, of their faces and stuff. Not that they're really that far away or anything. It's just I don't know. That was Chen's, and then Chanyeol's. Okay, so Chanyeol. I really like Chanyeol's cover. I don't know. I just like this hair on him in this lighting and everything. Okay, taking out cards in here. Ugh, okay. Chanyeol. Or see, it's kind of a little bit blurred, some of the pictures, which I wish they were a little more crisp. And also, like, their faces are, like, in the, like, fold. Like, I know his face was in the fold between, and it's just like, can you not? He looks so cute. I don't really like that one. Okay, and that is Chanyeol's. And then, of course, we have D.O. Kyungsu's photo book. Member version. Oops, I need to take that out. He looked really good in that leather jacket. I really like his outfit here. I think he looks amazing. His concept was kind of made for him. Then Eric's, and that is it for Kyungsu's, for D.O's. Right. So those are all the member versions and the CD DVD, and I'll go through the photo cards that I got now. I can get through them. There's so many. Alright, so all of the albums come with this, and little adverts, I suppose. EXO Japan. Cute. Okay. Let me just like sort out everything and then I'll go through each of the cards. There are so many adverts here. Okay, I think I got everything. Alright, so for the group, the CD DVD version, I got Lay. Okay, so Lay's card. Actually still have some like extra Lay Romantic Universe cards. So if you're interested, either way, I'm not trading any of them unless I get doubles because I collect all of EXO, even for Japanese releases. Okay. Next card I have is Lay's again. Okay, so obviously this is up for trade. So I have an extra Lay up for trade right now. Okay, and the next card I got is Suho! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Oh, look at him. He looks so handsome. He really looks so handsome in this picture. Oh, I'm sorry. I love him so much. Okay, the next one I got is Kai. So Kai's Japanese card. Again, not trading it unless I get a double. The next one I got is Lay's. So again, I have another Lay to trade if anyone is interested. And the next one I got is Kai's. Okay, so I got like 3 Lays. I think 2 Kai's, 1 Suho. So Lei, Kai, and Suho. I feel really fortunate because I tend to get Suho a lot, and he's my bias, so awesome. But yeah, I have 2 Leis up for trade and 1 Kai. I am going to get the rest of the member versions as well. I'm not entirely sure when, maybe sometime soon if possible. But either way, I'll still put these up for trade for any of the other members that I'm missing just because I want to try and complete this set as well. But yeah, I'm gonna, I have pre-ordered the winter album as well, so once I receive that, I will do an unboxing of that, and I'm kind of excited to be getting that because, I don't know, I'm like conflicted because I feel like EXO hardly ever have any time to rest at all, like they really don't. I'm always excited for another comeback, but it's just like, it hurts my heart to see them when they're really exhausted and stuff, so I will obviously support them, and I mean, I'm always going to support them, so yeah, I will, but I hope that they're getting as much rest in as they possibly can. But I do always look forward to their winter albums. Anyway, and kind of went on a little bit of a rant there. Yeah, thank you so much for watching.